Now we travel to Hanover, a parish blessed with breathtaking scenery, warm hospitality, and a heritage deeply woven into the fabric of Jamaica's history. Representing Hanover tonight, TRACEY and Ellis.
Them say Jamaica need more people. I'm parliamenting a stress. Them a count, baby. 1, 2, 3, 600. Them a count people. I wonder what going to happen next. My name is Miss Mavis. I is 90 and 2. Me memory got a little bit. So, yes, me call me grandson. Daddy, oi. And tell the television to sit down, behave yourself. But hear me now, Prime Minister, sir, no sidestep, no delay. If I'm more pitney, you know what? Me ready to start today. Me hear Minister Tufton say, Jamaica moves. So me put on me shoes and find me groove. If the nation have to move and keep fit each day, Miss Mavis, I go exercise all the way. Everybody get up, man. 1 up this time. 2 up this time. Slide to the left, yeah, man. Slide to the right. And we are go wine to the bottom and we wine to the top. Turn around, and then we make a stop. Me nurse, Miss Mavis, behave. Me say hush up your mouth. If the government serious about birth rate, me know what me talking about. You see them your young people. All you in the yellow shirt, them no want no babies. Them say too much stress and too much money. But if Jamaica run out of people, what go happen to the economy? That is it. So call one big cabinet meeting and put me, Miss Mavis, on the national plan. If Jamaica need more babies, Miss Mavis still upon the land.
TRACEY and Lewis, representing the parish of Hanover. And finally, we journey to St. Catherine, home to the old capital of Spanish Town, which carries a legacy of heritage, innovation, and progress. Make some noise for ALLISON Williams.
Mr. Barrett, I'm asking that this be reviewed thoroughly and escalated to the appropriate department. Hold on, I'm receiving another call. I'll talk to you later. Hello, good afternoon. Yeah, girl, a DJ a little bit. What you say? Festival queen, I keep on them nana DJ. No worry yourself, girl. Me come angle and triangle that. Hey, when I think of bank alone my work, Jamaica, when I meet me round a indoor. Sound the big thing them. Right about now DJ, little bit I represent for one sound, the world mortal crown sound. Crown sound in the building. No matter take a little time, I surely man on a time. And no matter the party neither. Be a queen and left your machine. Wow! Lord! We are there. Oh, not take so long for coming night party. Run like boat. 9.58. Shelley! Big up Henry Jones. Sound system pioneer. 1947. All God bless. A party time. Let's go! Ready. Hey, I'm gonna come for a rock tonight. Video man shine the light in my crowd. Make it say woman them look good. We look good. But sometimes them not treat you good. But them fi know say woman vital to survival. Ready than never before. And listen. From the other day, them said Jamaica birth rate had decreased, and they were encouraged you to have youth. You can take the minister advice, but make sure so when me jump the next song, you didn't have to run guide.
You know your baby father. Yeah. You know your baby father. Yeah. You know your baby father. Yeah. You know my baby father. Yeah. You know your baby.
Oh, what is man? Who this? Mr. Barrett, I'm in the middle of something. Can this wait until Monday? Yes, you have a good evening. Me nah lie, me love place in Jamaica. Big up Stone Love and Base Odyssey, straight out of Jamaica. Big up St. Mary, St. Elizabeth. But you see that place, yeah? Some call it vanished. Hey, I grew up in a place called why? Hey, nah lie. Party nice. I mean, no son of glad son never have to pay if you come in class right about no times hard. Everything raised. And party raised. Ready. As we get the money, Officer, never get one more song. People, them say 50% of Jamaicans who are migrate. Me know that the 50% they are, me know say uno not in like neither. So right now, we want to see every phone light, every lighter. From you know Jamaica is the place to live, work, and raise your family. Turn it up! iPhone light! Yeah! 64 years! Resilient! Come on, man! Yeah!
Missing Catherine Allison Williams.